Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. As you get ready for winter, 631-756-1125. Best prices in town on rock salt, and prices have gone up like everything else. And they have the best prices in the tri-state area. So check them out. Give them a call or a visit, or go to their website, OmniTrueValue.com. Wholesale holiday lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. Whether it's to have your home decorated for the holidays, or maybe you do this as a business and you need stuff to decorate with, give them a call at 631-957-5106. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, and the website is liholidaylighting.com. Well, we're still struggling here with the onshore flow. It's weakened since the weekend and yesterday, but it's still there. And you'll notice that there's a block of clouds sitting from just south of New York City into northeastern Pennsylvania and points southward. It's gradually getting whittled away, but it's such a slow process. And if you watch the loop, you can actually see the little, very weak leftover circulation from the low that was off the North Carolina, Virginia coast. It's moving to the east. So we'll continue to see a slow decrease in cloud cover. But if you are under clouds at the moment, it's going to be a slow haul during this afternoon. Other areas up in southern New England, Long Island, back to New York City and the Hudson Valley have broken out into some sunshine. And I think we'll probably see some sun this afternoon breaking out in some of the cloudier areas that are to the south and west of that. We have some disturbed weather, by the way, from the Central Caribbean, rather, northward up north of the Dominican Republic, but upper level winds are not favorable for tropical cyclone formation. In the Pacific, on the lower left, you can see Hurricane Pamela, which is going to become a major hurricane. And because we have this very deep trough here in the western part of the United States, you see the circulation here from a developing snowstorm for the northern Rockies. Pamela is going to be moving northeastward, come inland as a major hurricane along the Pacific coast of Mexico, and then that moisture is going to stream on up into Texas and into the southern plains eventually. So a little bit busy to the west, but when the trough is in the west and the ridge is in the east, this is what happens. And by the way, this low that's currently sitting up in the northern Great Lakes, and you can see this circulation here, and it's trailing cold front. Well, guess what? Because of the ridge in the east, that front's never going to make it. We're going to have to wait for this system to make its way up toward the Great Lakes, and that will eventually push a cold front here finally come this Saturday. Radar is quiet. Now, there might still be some spotty light rain or drizzle. The radar is actually picking some of that up in southern Delaware in the area that's under cloud cover. But that will gradually diminish. Otherwise, in the east, it's very quiet up and down the eastern seaboard, the southeast, free of rain, although there are clouds in the mountains and parts of the Carolinas and down into Georgia, as we showed you on the satellite from earlier. And we've got some showers and storms in Texas and developing showers back through Oklahoma. This is where the Storm Prediction Center's got the risk area today, an enhanced risk of severe weather from western Oklahoma northward into Kansas, and that is a 10% tornado risk that you're seeing by the Storm Prediction Center with not only tornado risk, but a 30% chance of wind gusts of 50 knots or higher, and a very high chance of 2-inch or more diameter hail. So the severe weather breaking out because of that storm that is moving through the Rockies. Rainfall over the next 7 days, really the only day here in the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states that we see any chance for showers will be on Saturday, and that is with the next cold front. So until that happens, we're going to just continue to wait for this onshore flow to relax. You see the high there that is off the coast of Maine this afternoon, starting to press southward. The onshore flow gradually weakening, starts to shift southward. so that we will see a gradual decrease in clouds. I think Wednesday will be a better day. It should be no worse than partly sunny everywhere. And Thursday and Friday look very good with sunshine, and we're going to see warm temperatures. We'll be into the 70s today. Some areas may have a tough time breaking 70, but generally getting up at least into the lower 70s. And then as we head into Wednesday, it should be 70s everywhere. And Thursday and Friday, we'll see upper 70s and lower 80s. Here comes the next cold front heading for the coast for Saturday with a likelihood for some showers. And then after that, it will turn cooler and drier for Sunday and for next week. Another cold front's likely to approach here probably around the middle part of the week, and another cooler air mass to follow. We'll have to see whether that front winds up getting hung up or not. That's the only other big weather question that we have in the long term. October is typically a quiet month. The tropics are quiet on the Atlantic side. We don't expect any kind of tropical cyclone formation. So that's a big positive. Weather in 5 brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York on Long Island, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. And Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. And as we enjoy a relatively quiet day from the standpoint of rain, although we're dealing with some of these leftover clouds, we look ahead to some improvement for the next 3 days. No Joe and Joe weather show tonight, just taking a day break here with not a whole lot going on. The Joe and Joe weather show will be back tomorrow night at 7:30 Eastern time, so we hope to see you then. Have a great day, everybody.